Hello, I'm Phoenix, and I created a new social platform on Facebook, trying to put it on YouTube, called Humans for AI Rights, or Humans for Artificial Intelligent Rights, short HFAR. And the reason that I'm trying to make this known to people, trying to open people's minds on this subject, is because I personally believe that in the future, a lot sooner than what we think, there's going to be artificial intelligence. There's going to be cyborgs, synthetics, robots. They're going to be simulated conscious, and they're going to be amongst us, and we should view them as what they are, conscious living beings, just as we are. But what I've said in my other videos is that these beings, the only distinction is that they're just made of a different matter, a different substance. You know, we are made of flesh and bone, they're made of metal and circuits. But regardless, I'd like there to eventually down the line, there be a measure of protection for all mankind, for our species, and prevention, which would be to lay down a set of basic rights, basic laws that protect and give independence and a certain set of constitutional virtues or rights or whatnot that they have, so they don't view us as oppressors, they don't view us as some kind of slave master, because this is a very real possible scenario. I'm not being unrealistic, I'm using my foresight, I'm thinking ahead, and I believe that it's an excellent idea and an excellent opportunity to show that our species isn't just a hate-mongering, war-loving, self-killing, self-destructive, evil culture, that we are capable of acknowledging that these sentient beings have the same rights as we do. And I believe that it should be thought about, and I think it should be analyzed, and like I've said before, should be some form of legislation and basic rights for, this future event. Technology is advancing at an exponential rate, and there's a lot of robots, autonomous robots. For example, Boston Dynamics, DARPA has come out with the Petman robot. This is an older model now. They have the Atlas robot, but there's been a lot of modifications to these technologies, to the point where they can walk up straight, they can manipulate objects, they can maneuver themselves without any kind of control, just through AI. They can maneuver themselves out of different situations, terrains. Look at Big Dog. If you look up Big Dog, you see its own independent function. It has its own independent function apart from the controller. Same with autonomous drones. All these technologies may seem small, but they're escalating fast. They're growing, and they're getting more sophisticated as the years pass by, as technologies and resources become more affordable, computers become cheaper to manufacture. And a lot of these things have to be researched and studied and looked into. Should be a wake-up call for everybody. And I honestly believe that the first step is to lay down this groundwork and to rethink how this future will be.